how to change your password on CarGurus. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can change your password on CarGurus. To change your password on CarGurus, just follow the simple steps I will be showing you in this video. First of all, sign in into open up your CarGurus website or the application and then move to the top right corner where you can see three horizontal lines and just click on it. After clicking on it, you would see some options here. Ensure you click on sign in or register. So after clicking on that, you'll be brought to the sign in or register page. So on this page, do not sign in by making use of any of this method. Instead, sign in by clicking on the email address button and then entering the email address that you'd use to register with CarGurus. Then click on next. After clicking on next, the page would load and then on the next page, you can see a password, right? So in this password option, since you're trying to change your password, just scroll down and click on forgot password. And then the email address that you've used for your account will be provided. Then move to the right side of the page and click on submit. And then a recent link will be sent to your email. So click on the link and then you'll be able to change your password that way. So by the time you click on the link provided in the email, you'll be redirected to a screen where you can enter in your new password and your password will be secure and changed. So this is how you can change your password on CarGurus. You can see how simple it is. So go ahead and make that change today. Thank you.